guys even need to sleep over there? You guys need to? I'm scared. I'm sorry. I'm scared.
I bet you the person you're on the phone with can hecka hear.
How did you hear anything? Did you hear anything?
What? Are you serious? When I play with my dog and then I'm on the phone, hecka people hear like growling.
You hear something else? Yeah, you don't hear
What?
growling. A dog's standing. Damn, they're touching all the wet spots. Crazy ass. Are you recording? You suggest? This dog is like next to
Oh, that's funny.
What time is it?
No.